Hey guys, welcome to Bosnia. So I am in Sarajevo now, which is the capital city of Bosnia and Herzegovina. I took the bus down from Belgrade in Serbia yesterday, which was about 8.5 hours. The bus broke down at the end and I actually ended up on a different bus going to another city, so it was quite a performance getting here, and then I had to switch to a city bus, and luckily I had some Bosnian marks so I could pay the driver, but that was really cool. So I'm here now anyway, so I'm just about to have a walk around the city. I've got a walking tour booked later on, but that's about 2 hours away. So yeah, I'm just going to have a look around first and then go and do that, and then I'm staying another night here in Sarajevo tonight. So I've just finished my walking tour in the city of Sarajevo. So it's just after 5 o'clock now. Really interesting city, learned a few things about the old town hall, and it's got a lot of history between its eras. It's a very old city, so yeah, it's cool. So I'm just going to head back to the hostel now, and then I'm going to be catching the train down to Mostar tomorrow. So I've arrived into Mostar now. It is currently 3:30. I got here at about 12:30 and just walked down the road into the hostel. It was actually pouring down in a thunderstorm when I got here. So it was a pretty quick run, but luckily the bus station was only about 300 meters away from the hostel, so that was pretty nice. So yeah, I just ran in there and I've just been chilling out there for a bit. I put some washing on, so I'm waiting for that. Haven't done that in a while, since Albania actually. I have got quite a lot of clothes, so I haven't been wearing them the whole time. And now I'm just going to have a walk around town, go to the historic old town, go and see the old bridge, and then pick up some dinner and head back here for the night. Okay, it is 5 PM now, and I've just made it to a point overlooking the famous bridge there, Stari Most, which is the bridge you can see behind me there, just next to the mosque. So I did a bit of a loop. I walked over that bridge, walked up kind of a main road, and then back to here. So it's a pretty amazing old town walking around. The bridge is really cool. So yeah, I can see why it's a really popular place to visit. So now I am just going to keep walking around for a bit and then find some dinner and head back to the hostel. Okay, it is 9:15 in the morning now. A bit of a cloudy day. It rained a lot last night, but it's stopped for a bit now, but it's meant to keep raining later on. And I'm just heading to the bus station, leaving Mostar, and I am heading to Dubrovnik in Croatia today. So I'm going to be crossing back into the Schengen area after 1.5 months since I first arrived in Montenegro from Paris. So yeah, thanks for watching this video on Bosnia. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe if you want to help support my channel. And as always, there's a link to buy me a coffee below in the description. And I will see you in the next video where I'll be exploring Croatia.